What's the most important survival tool in case of a disaster? Did you realize it's your mobile phone? Using wireless emergency alerts, the National Weather Service, FEMA, and Fairfax County can reach more residents through their late model mobile devices with imminent threat alerts customized to hazards in your area without even signing up or downloading an app. When an alert is broadcast, most newer mobile devices will come to life with a distinctive vibration, alarming audio tone, and an alert text with details and instructions. In addition, the system will broadcast Amber Alerts and Presidential Alerts. Participation is easy. You just need to receive mobile phone service in the Washington metropolitan area on a newer phone, and users will never be charged for receiving a wireless emergency alert. Check your cellular carrier's website to see which devices are wireless alert capable. For more information on wireless emergency alerts in Fairfax County, visit www.fairfaxcounty.gov/emergency.